Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming your carrier supports tethering and you have data available. Next, open Settings and turn on Mobile Hotspot. Set a simple temporary password so you can test quickly. Once done, make sure Wi-Fi and Bluetooth are enabled on both devices and airplane mode is off. Restart both phones now to clear transient faults. This clears cache and network bindings, so the next connection attempt starts fresh and reduces hidden software conflicts. You should now connect the client device to the Hotspot SSID and type the password exactly, because one wrong character blocks access. Once connected, open network details to confirm you received an IP via DHCP and that there's no static IP conflict. Change to automatic if needed. Also check the access point band, switch to 4 GHz for better range or 5 GHz for speed. If Bluetooth tethering is attempted, pair devices cleanly and enable internet sharing on the host. You finish by testing internet access with a lightweight web page or a ping command so you know whether the path is open. If it fails, stop and restart the hotspot service, change the password to force a fresh handshake, and monitor data usage to rule out throttling or caps. If problems persist, reset network settings on the host to clear corrupted profiles, then reconfigure the hotspot. One key tip: if many clients fail, try a different client device to isolate whether the host or client is at fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.